Sir, shall I start now?
By all means.
Okay, thank you, sir. So, guys, how many students know about fear? Raise our hand. How many students can tell me about fear? Yes. Everyone knows about fear, but no one even to tell me about fear. Fear is nothing. I think that fear is just overthinking negative things. If we will think about more and more any subject or anything, that we will feel fear. A sincere man, a man and a little child are going to suppose that a man and a child going to travel in midnight, and both are कुछ नहीं होता। तब सिर्फ अपने अंदर जो थिंकिंग है हमारी, जो एक्स्ट्रा थिंकिंग है वही है डर, बाकी और कुछ नहीं है। जो एक्स्ट्रा थिंकिंग हम निगेटिव सेंस में, निगेटिव वे में जाते हैं वही है, और कुछ भी नहीं है। तो हम चाहते हैं कि सब लोग अपने डर को यहाँ हटा के इसके उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो पुनः नया निर्माण करो, जन जन के जीवन में फिर से नई स्फूर्ति नया प्रकार करो। नई प्रातः है, नई बात है, नई किरण है ज्योति नई, नई उमंगे, नई तरंगे, नई आस है, सांस नई। युग युग से मुरझे सुमनों में, युग युग से मुरझे सुमनों में पुनः नई मुस्कान भरो, उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो पुनः नया निर्माण करो। डाल डाल में बैठ भी हम कुछ नए स्वरों में गाते हैं, गुन 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 करते भोरे मस्त हुए मंडराते हैं। और ये जो लाइन लास्ट वाला है उसे कृपया बहुत ध्यान से सुनिए और अपने जीवन में सुनाइए। नवयुग की नूतन वीड़ा में, नवयुग की नूतन वीड़ा में नए राग नवगान भरो, उठो धरा के अमर सपूतो पुनः नया निर्माण।
My name is Shikha Sahu and I am from Sayalgarh, and my today's topic is Hinduism, a religion or a way of living. So Hinduism starts 1000 years ago. It starts more than 4000 years ago. It starts more than 4000 of years ago. As like every religion have their founders, but no one knows who founded the Hinduism. Many people often call them Hinduism is a religion, but Hinduism is actually not a religion.
I would like to some food in Hindi. Sir, please. Sir, please. But sir, I would like to some food in Hindi. Sir, I would like to some food. So can I food in Hindi? देश का राजा हूँ मैं, उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ सम्राट अशोक और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जैसे राजा। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ 50 मील दूर रंग भेद पहचान बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश का नागरिक हूँ जहाँ अपनी भूगोल को समझने से पहले पूरा ब्रह्मांड समझा जाता था। So it's my quote. So very fanatic morning to all of you, my friends.
Good morning, sir.
So I would like to today I am gonna deliver my speech, the Indian culture, the tradition of India. Once you hear the India known as the culture of across the world. My friends, I would like to some aspects and geographical aspects where I talking about the geographical aspect of India. Then I would like to some things. But when I talking about the geographical aspects, then how can you forget this? The NASA has reportedly said the earth rotation of the earth is 8 sound is 4. मिट्टी पे लहराएगा, जिस दिन से पता का परचम इस मिट्टी पे लहराएगा, ये क्या आसमां क्या जमीन, ये हिंदुस्तान मिल जाएगा। थैंक्स सो मच।
My name is Kajal and I am from Allahabad and I did my graduation in BA. And I am from Allahabad and I did my graduation in BA from Allahabad University and I am from 9th to 11th batch. And now I am going to tell about my topic. My topic is mentality. I am talking about those people who have bad mentality, like if girl wears western outfit, then so many people judge her by her outfit. But they never think like that. They also wear western outfit regularly. They always comment on a girl and always judge her by her outfit and by her clothes, by her skin tone. This is very bad, and they never think like that. That we feel very bad about when we know about this. We are feeling very bad because you guys never understand how we feel. And I observe that if girl is talking to him very politely or she shares something to him, then they feel like she have a feeling for him and she likes him. That is wrong. That is not true. If girl is share something to you, it means she trusts on you.
Very best language, and because it is a English language, all both sides use, and English language is a हर communication
How are you? I'm also fine. Thank you. Now my topic is My name is Rashmi Prajapati. I am from Prayagraj and I am from 9 to 11 batch. My topic is don't judge a book by its cover. So, in our daily life, we all know that we listen many times from anyone, don't judge a book by its cover. It is simple and meaningful sentence that we all know very well. Why we should never judge a book by its cover? There are many reasons why we must never judge a book by its cover. This first one is that you know nothing about someone by just their outfits and outward appearance. So it should not be the judge of the and change in horrible in nature. What if they lack real talent or skills? So we see how outward appearances can be misleading. So I am going to tell you a story. A 24-year-old boy who looked out from the window in a train. He shouted and said, "Look, trees are going." His dad smiled. A new young couple sitting nearby, they looked out him and think about their behavior, their childish behavior, and the young boy again exclaimed that, "See, clouds are going with us." The young couple could resist and said to his father, "Why you don't take your son to a good doctor?" Then his father said,
Nani, today I am standing in front of you to express my topic. My topic is the story of a boy who are different from human. The story starts a small house where husband and wife, they both used to live together. Wife was pregnant. One day they were going somewhere. They had reached a short distance from their house. It started raining. It was lightning in the sky as well. Meanwhile, the light struck on the road. The lady who was pregnant, she fainted. her husband got her admitted to the hospital, but doctor couldn't save her life. But his child was saved. But he had a problem. His eyes couldn't tolerate sunlight as well as electricity. That's why his father kept him away from outside environment. So he used to live inside the room and used to read books those was brought by his father. So by reading books, he spent 20 years in a room. So one day his father passed away, then 2 police officers came there and they saw that boy. And after that they took him with them. So actually after 20 years he came out from inside the room. He was unable to understand outside environment. First time he went to the college, the moment he entered the classroom, every student started making fun of him because he had no single hair on his head. Later on sir came in the class and started questioning. Actually he answered all the questions. Everyone was shocked how actually the boy who never went any colleges or schools, how did he answer all the questions? Actually one day all the students and staff, they were going a tour. There was a zoo where they had to go. So having reached there, 3 of students, they shot a pigeon by gun. Pigeon fell on the ground and started suffering. Having seen that, the boy got angry and went near who shot the pigeon and held his wrist tightly. And he, by using his powers, he made him feel all the pain of pigeon till the fainted. Later on they came back and he was